Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to adjust the height and depth of the steering wheel based on your seat position, your arm length, your height and things like that. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so before I show you this, I just want to mention you should be adjusting the steering wheel while the vehicle is turned off or in a parking mode because it's gonna be quite loose and it can be a safety issue if you do it while driving, so make sure to do it while you are parked. Now if you look under the steering wheel, there is like a black lever here, and what you want to do, you want to pull it all the way down and this will loosen up the steering wheel. And once that's done, I can show you, see how much up or down it can go, or if I record here from the side, can go in or out, right? So like I said, you can adjust the steering wheel position based on your sitting preference, arm length, height and things like that. Yeah, and this is very handy feature, so you can find that perfect spot while driving. And once you're done, to lock the steering wheel in place, you will push this lever all the way up. Okay, just like that, and then make sure everything is nice and tight. There is no any kind of looseness in the steering wheel. If everything is good, then you can continue driving. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.